Hey Luke, I'm just going to try and see if I can figure out what you're asking me to do or what the issue that you're having problems with. So let's pretend that you have a photo here and you want to have text that ends at a certain spot on your screen. Okay. So remember, we videos all about layers. So if I wanted, like, let's for example say that I wanted a subtitle underneath this person's picture. I'm going to drag the subtitle, the text to be on the top layer because I only want it to be on the top, okay? You have to stop the text where you want it to stop with the picture. So if you have it lined up with pictures, like I have here, then you have to stop it where you want to have your text. So now if you watch my video, it is set up so that the text is going to stop when that picture has stopped. Okay, so again, if I have a media source that I want to put in there, so here we go, I'm going to drag Mr. Regan over this time around. And I only want my text to be there when Mr. Regan is there, then I'm going to, once again, drag my text or whatever I want it to be and only allow it to be where Mr. Regan is. Okay. So hopefully that makes a little bit more sense. If you're still not getting it, if that does not make sense, one other thing that might be happening if you drag your thing down here and you want it to be your text to be shorter, use the scissors button and that'll cut your text. Well, you can't do that one because of which one you chose. But like if you chose the basic subtitle, you can cut it to the length that you want. Okay. If that did not answer your question, I'm going to show you how to share your project with me that I think that I would be able to edit it. So if you click on projects, click on the project that you want to share and right click and click on invite to project and then just invite me with the link. So highlight this link and then just shoot me this link in an email and hopefully that would give me access to edit it. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, bye.